Here's a secret most people don't know. You don't need confidence to look confident. You only need one psychological trick. I'll show you exactly how it works. Most people think confidence is loudness, flexing, acting tough. Nope, that's insecurity wearing sunglasses. Real confidence is silent. Here's the actual trick. Pause for 1 second before reacting. Someone asks a question? Pause. Someone insults you? Pause. Someone challenges you? Pause. Why does it work? Because confident people think before reacting. Insecure people rush. That pause signals dominance without aggression. Psychologists call this perceived self-regulation. When you pause, your brain appears calm, sharp, decisive, emotionally grounded. People subconsciously assume if they're not rushing, they must be in control. Boom, instant confidence. Imagine this. Someone asks you, "Why are you so quiet?" Most people panic. I'm tired." Haha. Confident answer? You pause, smile, and say, "I only speak when it matters." Not rude, not aggressive, but powerful. Someone flirts with you? Pause. Let them feel your energy. Someone tries to show off? Pause. Let them finish. Someone rushes you? Pause. You both know who's in control now. The pause does not mean standing still like a broken NPC, blinking dramatically, staring at them like you're lagging IRL. No, just relax your shoulders, breathe, and take 1 small second before speaking. After the pause, add soft eye contact, slight smile, slow movements. This combination is called low-tension confidence. Deadly attractive, works everywhere. You don't need expensive clothes. You don't need deep voice edits. You don't need fake confidence. You just need control. The pause is power. Use it, and watch how people treat you differently.